You have just checked into your hotel room after a long journey. You unpack your bags, connect to the Wi Fi, turn on the lights. Everything looks perfectly normal. But then a thought crosses your mind: what if someone has hidden a spy camera in this room? While hidden cameras in hotel rooms are rare, there have been real cases where hidden recording devices were discovered in private accommodations. That's why it's worth knowing a few simple techniques that can help you check your surroundings. In today's video, I will show you how you can use your smartphone to look for signs of hidden cameras, what these methods can and cannot detect, and the best practices for protecting your privacy while traveling. First, let's understand what we are looking for. A hidden camera is a very small camera designed to blend into everyday objects. It may be disguised as a digital clock, a smoke detector, a wall charger, a USB adapter, an alarm clock, a powerful strip, a picture frame, or even a decorative object. Some hidden cameras record continuously, others only activate when motion is detected. Some connect to Wi-Fi for remote viewing, and the camera itself is often tiny, sometimes only a few millimeters wide. That's why careful observation is important. The first method doesn't require any technology. Just use your eyes. Ask yourself, is there an object facing the bed? Does anything seem out of place? Are there unnecessary electronic devices? Does a smoke detector look unusually large? Are there multiple clocks for no reason? Check places with a clear view of private areas, bathrooms, bedrooms, changing areas. Remember, most legitimate hotel equipment has an obvious purpose. If something feels unusual, take a closer look. Now let's talk about the smartphone method. Many hidden cameras use infrared LED lights for night vision. These LEDs are usually invisible to the human eye. However, some smartphone cameras, especially the front-facing camera on many phones, can detect certain infrared lights. Here is how to test it. First, turn off the room lights, open your smartphone camera, point it towards objects you are inspecting. If an infrared LED is active, you may see small white, purple, or pink glowing lights on your screen. Before trying this, test your phone using a TV remote. Point the remote at your phone camera and press any button. If you can see the remote's infrared light flashing on your phone screen, your camera may also be able to detect infrared LEDs from compatible devices. Keep in mind, not all smartphone cameras detect infrared equally, and many hidden cameras don't use infrared illuminations all the time, so this method has limitations. Another technique involves checking devices connected to the local network. Some hidden cameras connect to Wi-Fi, and network scanning apps can sometimes identify devices connected to the same network. However, this method isn't foolproof. Many hotel networks isolate guests from one another, meaning you may not see other connected devices. Also, finding an unknown device doesn't automatically mean it's a hidden camera. It could simply be hotel equipment. Use this method as an additional clue, not proof. If you are checking a room, pay extra attention to objects with a direct view of private areas. Examples include smoke detectors, alarm clocks, digital clocks, TV boxes, wall chargers, USB charging hubs, power adapters, air purifiers, bookshelves, decorative items. Again, finding these objects doesn't mean they are suspicious. You are simply checking whether anything appears unusual or out of the place. Suppose you discover an object that genuinely concerns you, don't touch it immediately. Instead, take photos of what you found. Leave the room if necessary. Report it to hotel management. If you believe a hidden camera has been installed illegally, contact local law enforcement. Avoid trying to dismantle or damage the device yourself. Let the appropriate authorities investigate. Let's clear up a few myths. Number one, every hotel room has hidden cameras, and the reality is no. Most hotels operate professionally and respect guest privacy. Hidden cameras are rare. Number two, a smartphone can detect every hidden camera, and the reality is no. Smartphone methods can sometimes help detect infrared LEDs or identify unusual devices, but they cannot reliably detect every hidden camera. Number three, every unknown Wi-Fi device is a spy camera, and the reality is hotel networks often contain many legitimate devices used for building operations. Additional evidence is needed before drawing conclusions. Protecting your privacy doesn't mean living in fear, it means staying informed. When you travel, take a minute to look around your room. Use your smartphone to perform a few simple checks, understand the limitations of those methods, and if something truly seems suspicious, report it through the proper channels. Awareness is one of the best tools you have for protecting your privacy. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for more cybersecurity awareness, privacy tips and digital security videos every week.